teenagers.
If we adjust the color system here, the security elements become much clearer.
I agree. This layout optimizes for both.
The foundation of trust is built here. You can feel Swiss money before you see it.
Different colors, same perfection. Value changes, standards do not.
Metal money, same philosophy. Trust applies to paper and metal alike. This is why the world trusts the Swiss franc. Currency is treated as a public promise between state and citizen.
Why the Swiss franc is different. Design evolution is subtle, not radical. Stability is prioritized over reinvention.
This layout enhances the security interface. We need that longevity.
And the typography here ensures instant recognition.
Notes are examined under daylight, low light, and artificial light. Denominations remain instantly recognizable. Usability is treated as security.
The texture feels very secure, quite difficult to counterfeit, I imagine.
Yes, the watermarks are very clear.
The overall confidence score is high. The schematic conversion is complete. Verify the protocols, Mr. Jackson.
Verified, Dr. Aya. The printer is ready for synchronization.
The vibrancy here is essential to the concept.
The stress test shows the paper won't hold that ink volume. We have to adjust for the mechanical limits.
All right, let's pull back the saturation then.
Billions of repetitions are mathematically projected. Beauty must survive velocity. Flat artwork dissolves into printing plates, color separations, and machine instructions.
The tensile strength on this blend exceeds the requirement by 20%.
The polymer infusion is flawless.
Pure cotton fibers are cleaned, refined, and aligned. Durability is built at the molecular level. Longevity is intentional.
DuraSafe 3-layer bonding. 2 cotton paper layers are fused around the polymer core. Heat, pressure, and timing are tightly. Signal verification complete. Looks stable.
Confirmed. Sheets are folded, twisted, soaked, and heated. Sensors measure fiber memory and polymer recovery. Failure is not acceptable.
Color-shifting inks respond instantly to changing light angles. Magnetic properties are embedded simultaneously.
Denomination coding systems, Apex. Machine-readable codes are applied based on CHF value, 10, 20, 50.
Live dashboard was rising.
No defective currency survives the system. Trust tolerates no exception.
Identity is complete. Physical separation begins next.
Laser guides correct sheet position in real time. Edge tolerances measured in microns. Perfect alignment is enforced before every cut.
Edge quality, size accuracy, and print integrity are scanned. Any deviation triggers immediate diversion. Imperfection is eliminated instantly.
Weight and volume are logged digitally. No material exits unaccounted for. Loss is measured, not ignored.
Real-time inventory registration. Every bundle is scanned and logged into encrypted databases.
All units, staging area secure. You are clear for departure.